What to do in a day in Mazunte. To start up, you can come to a nice pool. Some of the hotels here, if you pay 200 pesos or 500 pesos, it depends on the hotel, you're allowed to use the pool and enjoy the service, drinks, and the DJ. This one in particular is very quiet. I wanted something very relaxed to enjoy with my two friends who, I don't know where they are right now. But anyway, so this video is about what to do in one day in Mazunte. So if you guys want to know what I'm doing during this whole day right here in Mazunte, keep watching my video until the end. And for the new members of my lovely world, my name is Dianna Hernandez and I do videos about my traveling adventures. And this video starts right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the notification button so you don't miss any of my future videos right here in Mazunte, because I'm gonna be here for a long month, I think. This is our second stop of the day of what to do in one day in Mazunte. This is called the Huatulco Hotel, and the service starts after 5 p.m. and they have DJ, food and everything, so let's discover this place together. A year ago, a hurricane destroyed everything, and this entrance that you see right here was built with recycling of the rubble left by the hurricane.
Hola amigos, mi nombre es Eric Saúl y me dicen por mi apellido Pacheco y están en el Copal. Las chicas están haciendo sus day pass de 575 por persona, 75 por hora y toallas y 500 a consumo. Y es un lugar muy bonito y agradable, bebidas a base de mezcal con frutas naturales.
El sunset muy romántico, ¿no? Falta el novio, me falta el novio. Well, my friend here just explained that you pay 500 pesos per person and you can use that to buy drinks or food, so it's not like a cover per se, you can use it. Now there are on a photo shoot moments here. Wow, so sexy. And our third stop is right here, the Mercado Mazunte, the fresh market, where you can find vegetables, fruits, breakfast, clothes, and you can walk around and it's a little fresher. Oh my god, it's so hot outside, but here inside you feel a little bit more cooler. So let me show you how amazing this market is. But look how fresh this is. Celery. I love it.
Yeah.
And my friend Vanessa is here. And this is our fourth stop. So our fourth stop is the beach. You must come to the beach, and we are gonna have amazing drinks at the bar Johnny. And right here is the ocean. Look at this. Right here is Diana.
Almost a local.
Almost. She's gonna stay in Mazunte for 1 year. I'm only gonna stay for 1 month, but I might stay longer here. This is so
She
beautiful.
should stay. She should stay.
So I heard there is a naked beach in ZIPOLITE, which is the town next to Mazunte, only 15 minutes away drive, and I decided to go and check it out because I've never been to a naked beach. So keep watching my video. We just arrived to ZIPOLITE, where the naked beach and hotel is located, but before we even go there, I want to show you this cute town full of life, parties, boutiques, little stores, not boutiques, and cute restaurants. Guys, I have to tell you something. It's only like what, 9 or 10? 9:30?
9:30, yes.
And it's already really, really, really hot. So forget about wearing makeup or even shoes. I noticed everyone is barefoot here, including myself. So I noticed that Zipolite is a little bigger than Mazunte. This street is like probably longer, and it has more like stores where you can buy bikinis, clothing, a lot more restaurants, and a lot more parties. So if you guys get tired of the tranquility in Mazunte, you can come to Zipolite and enjoy the party time. Okay, so my friend Martin just told me they even have a cinema here, and we have the schedule of the movies. Oh, and very crazy dogs too. So have you been in the cinema here?
Oh, never, but my family, yes.
Your family?
Yes, and look at this.
So we have Loving Pablo that I saw. Oh, they have La Sirenita. La Sirenita just came out. So they do have new movies. The Sirenita just came out. Great.
Fast and Furious too.
Good to know. So when when it's raining or there's nothing else to do, you can come to the cinema in Zipolite. There is a cute cinema too in Mazunte. It's not really like new movies. They always play like old style movies, but there's also a cinema. And I guess this is the main street, Roca Blanca. And if you continue all the way down, all the way straight, you're gonna find an amazing restaurant and hotel where we had dinner last night. It's called El Alquimista, and the food is amazing. The service is spectacular, and we got to see an amazing fire dance show. So let's just go there and find some coquitos because my friend is very thirsty.
Really thirsty.
And I invited him today for breakfast, and I didn't even have my wallet. That's the type of invitations that I do. This is raining season. Last night it was raining really hard, and I have the feeling that it's gonna rain right now. So we were lucky we were in the water before the storm, because it really looks like it's going to rain. But we need the rain anyway. It's been too hot.
Yeah.
Oh,
salud. Cheers.
We're healthy people. We're not drinking alcohol. We drink coquitos. Okay, my friend Martin
Hello.
is the one taking me to the naked beach, and he's the one showing me around this cute town. So I don't know what to expect. Have you been here before?
Only for 2 times, but it's interesting.
It's interesting to see. I know. Let's go. Finally, we just arrived to the naked beach, and right here to my right side I have Nude, which is a restaurant and a hotel, and on my opposite side we have Naked Zone. So both are restaurants, hotels, where you can be totally naked or you can wear clothes too, and everything is fine, everything is okay. Even with clothes or without clothes, you are accepted. So right now it's very early. I didn't want to disturb anybody, so there's no one, there's no music, there's no DJ, but usually this is like a little party town. Here you have an amazing like afternoon where you can enjoy with your friends and DJ and music and food and wine and everything. But I want to go a little bit more down there to swim totally naked. So this is the moment of truth. Are you guys ready? Well, nothing best than swimming naked in the ocean. I felt so free. I usually go swimming topless, but not entirely naked. Like God brought me to this world, but it feels like freedom. And it's amazing because everyone is doing the same thing here. Nobody is judging you. So you guys have definitely have to come here and experience it. Well guys, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys learned something new, and if you think there's any value in my video, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss any of my future traveling adventures. See you next Sunday. Ciao, ciao!